Hi there, it's Andrew here. Short video just explaining how I clean my glass palette after oil painting. Here you can see I'm starting off, because the paint's still quite wet on this one. I can use a ordinary palette knife just to take the paint off. And then I wipe down with a dry rag, and that works very well. That's good if I remember to clean at the end of the day. If I forget and it's been on for maybe a day, come in the next morning, I have to use a glass scraper, which I've got here, and I push the paint away. See, the paint's still fairly soft. There'll be areas which have dried a bit more, so it just needs a bit more pressure than you would be able to use with an ordinary palette knife. So this glass scraper is ideal. There you can see there are some areas of dry paint underneath, which you just have to push through a little bit firmer. And then I find a quick wipe with a nice, well, I say nice, but an old cotton rag and some Terps or white spirit. Generally does the trick then to clean it up nicely. And I use low odour or non-odour stuff indoors, obviously because of the fumes. I also find that cotton rags work best. I've found that any like kitchen roll and paper tends to push the paint around, and the cotton rags soak it up, which is much better. When you've got some dried on oil paint like it was here, say this has been left over the weekend, I forgot to clean on the Friday night, and I come in on Monday morning and it's dried quite firm, then you need more pressure with that paint scraper. It just takes a bit more effort, and just make sure you just scrape away from you if you can. Obviously there'll be some occasion like I'm doing here, just collecting up the paint, and you need to scrape towards you, but just be very careful. You need a clean blade, obviously. Nice good sharp blade, I should say. Just collect up your paint, chuck it in the bin, and then get yourself a rag and give it another quick wipe down, and it's all ready, nice and clean for the next day. Well, I hope you enjoyed that and it helps. Please subscribe if you like the channel, and bye for now.